Hello and welcome back to Python with another tutorial, and this one is centered around progress bars, more specific the package or library progress bar 2. So I already written down the name of the package which is progress bar 2. So if you want to install it with pip install, you have type in pip install 2. If you are using an IDE like me and are lazy, you can just type in import progress bar 2, move your cursor above progress bar 2 and click on install. And after the package is installed, you delete the 2 and yeah, you go on. First of all, we need to create an object. So the object is, we call progress bar point progress bar, and our max value is 1000. And yes, to update our progress bar, which is, we can use pro.update. And yes, what will happen? The progress bar will turn to 100%. That's just based on the simple fact that after the program is finished, it will always be 100%. So to be more specific, we have to, for example, have a loop while, or let's do a for loop for e in range 1 million. And if e modulo 1000 equals 0, pro point update. And what we're gonna do now, we want to increase it by 1 each time. But if we, for example, type in pro update 3 all the time, the progress bar will always be 3. Let's just have a look at it. Okay, now he is too fast. Let's do a higher number. Yes, as you saw, it was only increased to 3, but we want to, increase it each time we hit our if condition. So we're defining another variable, which is 0 before the loop, and during the loop we increase it each time we want to increase the progression bar. And yes, the progression bar will be updated, and I did something wrong, of course, because he is updating too often. Now it works. So as you see, while he's counting, he's just increasing our progress bar. And we can make it even slower by increasing our numbers. And you see the time which elapsed is shown, and the estimated time is calculated all the time. What we also can do, we can use widgets to make a certain design to our progress bar, like which is the input after max value widget equals, and now we type in a list. Now we type in a string, which can be hey double point, and next we are typing progress bar point percentage. Now another string. Now another variable, which is progress bar point progress bar. No, just bar. After that we type in another string, and of course, what I did wrong, I'm not in the list anymore, I have to stay in the list. Now another string. Now progress bar point ETA, and another string. And now if we click 1, you see it looks a little bit different, but still you can customize your progress bar. So if we don't know the length, we can also type in progress bar point unknown length, but without the brackets. And now we can increase our range because, yeah, we don't need to calculate how many steps are needed. And yes, he says not answered. And yeah, he will take a little bit too long. So we are deleting, no, not that. Deleting some of the steps. And yes, he's doing nothing. Maybe now it is not long enough. So I was updating my code a little bit because I was testing, but it seems at the moment he won't be able to show the exact progress of the dynamic progress bar. If I know more, I will give an update, but yeah, at this point, this is what a dynamic progress bar will do. I hope you kinda enjoyed the video. That what was it. See you on the next video. Bye bye.